In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Classroom with a code. Let's dive in. Google Classroom has become an indispensable tool for students and educators around the world, providing a streamlined platform for class assignments, discussions, and announcements. If you've been given a class code and are wondering how to use it to join your class, you're in the right place. First things first, make sure you're starting on the home front of the internet, google.com. It's here that your journey begins. Once you're on Google's homepage, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a sign in button eagerly waiting for your click. Go ahead and click on it. After you click, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is an important step, as you'll want to make sure that you're using the account associated with your educational institution or the one that you intend to use for classroom activities. Select the appropriate account to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take a moment here to ensure you enter it correctly to avoid any unnecessary hitches in your login process. Once you've confidently typed in your password, click on the Next button to proceed to the next stage. Once logged in, you'll find yourself back on Google's interface. Now it's time to navigate to Google Classroom. To do this, look for the Google Apps menu, still located at the top right corner of your screen. This little grid of dots is your gateway to all of Google's various services, including Classroom. Clicking on it will unveil a drop-down menu filled with various Google apps. From this array of icons, locate and click on Google Classroom. Upon selecting Google Classroom, you're one step closer to joining your class. Here's where the magic of your class code comes into play. Look towards the top right once more, and you'll spot a plus icon, plus. This tiny button is your key to new opportunities. Clicking on it will present you with two options. You're going to want to click on Join Class. After selecting to join a class, a new window will pop up asking for the infamous class code. Here you'll enter the code provided by your teacher or instructor. Take care to enter the code accurately to ensure a smooth entry into your class. This code is essentially your ticket into the virtual classroom, so make sure it's correct. With the code entered, you're just one click away from joining your class community. Look for the Join button on the screen and give it a click. This action will whisk you away into your new Google Classroom, where you'll find assignments, resources, and announcements from your instructor. And just like that, you're in. You've successfully navigated your way into Google Classroom using a class code. From here, you can explore assignments, participate in discussions, and engage with your classmates and instructors. Google Classroom offers a wide range of features designed to enhance your learning experience, so take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and capabilities of the platform. In conclusion, joining a Google Classroom with a class code is a simple yet crucial process for embarking on your online educational journey. By following the steps outlined in this video, you're well on your way to engaging in a dynamic and interactive learning environment. Remember, if you ever face difficulties or have questions, your instructor or school's IT department are great resources for assistance. Happy learning, and here's to a successful journey in your Google Classroom.